Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share a couple of cards with you. I was inspired to make these from the new die set from Pretty Pink Posh, and I love their present dies. They're absolutely adorable. I will probably end up picking them up because they're so cute. But I did want to give a shot at doing it myself. So, anyways, I just went in my stash and started pulling out stuff. I didn't get everything, but I thought I would show you some of the things that I worked with. So I pulled out this bow set, which is from My Creative Time. It's called Cute Bow Dies, and they are retired now, but I love these things, and I haven't used them in years. And then I also picked up these, pulled these out of the stash from My Creative Time. I also used this stamp set, went way back, Pink by Design, and she closed her shop, many moons ago. I don't even know how long, maybe 7 years ago. And then this die set came from Hero Arts. Love that background die. And then this is from Reverse Confetti. And like I said, I didn't pull out everything, but let me show you this. I thought it turned out pretty cute. So what I did was I pulled out some background dies to create these. I think you can pick these, both of them up from Reverse Confetti. This one's embossed versus cut all the way out. And then this one cut into the paper anyways. But I just went ahead and took a square die and cut around it, and I found some dies that were kind of with a straight line or whatever, and I used those. Same with this, and I just popped those down, and then I put down some color enamel dots. This one is from Jaded Blossom, and that's one of those. It's like a big, huge 6x6 plate. That's where I got that one from. And then, yeah, that's about it, I think, as far as the dies that I used there. This one's from Elizabeth Craft, so I just finished out the inside of that. I did not punch out all of the circles and things on this because I thought it would take away from the card. I wanted to focus mainly on the streamers, and I thought that done the job of what I wanted it to do. I thought it turned out really cute. Okay, and then here goes the next one here. This one was already put together in my stash with that pink behind it, but I thought it didn't look bad, so I went ahead and just popped that down on the front of the card. There goes those My Creative Time bows. This bow is from either Whimsy Stamps or CC Designs from way back in the day, and I don't remember which one it was. And then I thought to throw down some more color enamel dots, and there goes that happy birthday from Pink by Design, and there we go with the inside. So I thought those turned out really cute. Oh, and I did put on some gems on top of these. Like this one's a diamond dots. These are from BB Crafts, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so that's what I made. And if you haven't subscribed and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.